Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove Green Wallet from your device. First, find the Green Wallet application on your device and long press on it. After that, you can find Remove Application button, which is highlighted as red color. Click on it and you can delete the application by clicking on Delete App option. After that, again confirm the delete process by clicking on delete and your application will be removed from your device. You can also remove the application from your settings. Find and open settings application on your device. Then go to General tab. After that, click on Storage option. Here, find the application you want to remove. If you cannot find the application, go to the search bar and type the name of your application. After that, click on the application and click on Delete App button. Now, a prompt will appear to delete the application. Click on Delete App and the application will be removed. As you can see that in the home screen, the application is no longer available. So that is how you can remove Green Wallet application from your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.